Safety Toolbox Talk number 145. Explosions in process industries are as follows. 7 dust explosions. A dust explosion is the swift combustion of fine particles suspended in the air within an enclosed location. Dust explosions can occur where any dispersed powdered combustible material is present in high enough concentrations in the atmosphere or other oxidizing gaseous medium, such as pure oxygen. 8 propagating reactions. Start at a point and propagate as a front through the mass of reactants. 9 uniform reaction. Occur, more or less, uniformly throughout the mass of reactants. 10 thermal explosions. Result from exothermic reactions under confinement with inadequate dissipation of heat. 11 detonation. An explosion in which the reaction front moves at a speed greater than the speed of sound in the unreacted medium. Highly turbulent combustion. Very high flame speeds. Extremely high pressures, 10 bars. 12 deflagration. An explosion in which the reaction front moves at a speed less than the speed of sound in the unreacted medium. Combustion with flame speeds at non-turbulent velocities of 0.5 to 1 m/section. Pressures rise by heat balance in fixed volume with pressure ration of about 10. Example, adding water to a burning hydrocarbon, such as oil or wax, produces a deflagration. Thank you.